Good morning, students of class ninth. Today, the new lesson of class ninth is The Adventures of Toto. In this lesson, the story is about a naughty monkey who was purchased by a grandparent or very old man. So, there was one very naughty monkey. Name of monkey was Toto. I'm going to read the red promoted line of here. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? As a pet, Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. What happened? So, I'm going to read the first paragraph. Grandfather bought Toto. Toto means Toto monkey from a tanga driver from for the sum of 5 rupees. The tanga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Trough means वो धागा होता है जिससे वो बांधा जाता है. So the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with a mischief beneath deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a purely white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet the fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from the branch, and it was capable of scooping up and delicacy that might be out of the reach of his hand. Yes, explanation of this lesson. There was one monkey. The monkey was with a tanga driver. So, our grandparents, means the writer's grandfather, has purchased the monkey, Toto monkey, for 5 rupees from a tanga driver. And tanga driver, why? What is the reason that tanga driver had the monkey? So tanga driver used to keep red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and monkey looked so out of the place. So tanga driver only kept as a little fellow, as a fellow for the tanga, and tanga driver was very puzzled with that monkey. And grandfather has been attracted from the monkey. Grandfather has given grandfather whose grandfather? It is the writer's grandfather, and grandfather has paid 5 rupees and had taken the monkey to his private zoo, means to his home. Grandfather was fond of grandfather liked a lot of animals, and grandfather had number of the animals at his home and kept as a private zoo, means grandfather liked always most of the animals, and grandfather has kept number of the other animals and birds in his home. So what happened about the Toto? Yes, the monkey name was Toto and monkey eyes. And in this paragraph, in the second paragraph, overall the number of the his organs has been described, how the monkey was looking, and whatever their the hands, legs, and eyes were looking like that. Like what? Monkey's eyes were really looking very mischievous, very naughty type of eyebrow, very naughty type of eyes. Monkey teeth were really very white, without Dantakanti or without Colgate, and it looked just like the Anglo-Indian ladies' teeth. But monkey hands were monkey hands totally very dry. As you know, that all the animals in the monkey's hands, it's looking just as it has been dried, it has been kept for a long time in the sunshine, and totally his hands were dried. Never it kept the single oil. So its uh, hands look really very dried up, and the tail of the monkey was really very grandeur, and the poet has described his tail as the third hand, as a third hand of the monkey, because tail was also capable to do some work for the monkey. It was really means tail is used for the balancing at the time of hanging from from the branches of the tree. So in this paragraph, in the second paragraph, totally description about the body parts of the monkeys and mischievous monkey. It was really very naughty monkey that has been described here. The name of the monkey was Toto. Now the third paragraph. Grandmother always first. First means confused or very angry. When grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to peg fastened into wall. What happened that grandfather and grandson has decided that when the grandmother will see the monkey, definitely grandmother will be very angry. So grandfather and grandson has decided to keep the monkey in a safe place. When grandmother will know, definitely grandmother will be very unhappy and will start to show her anger, because when grandfather brought any of the new bird or animal, then grandmother start to start to uh, start to show off her anger. So grandfather has decided to keep the monkey in a closet in a very small place of the wall. That was a closet, just like Almira like place, very small Almira type of place, which is built inside of the wall. So grandfather had decided to keep the monkey in a closet of the bedroom wall, and monkey was tied securely with a peg fastened to the wall. Means there was one a nail keel which was kept, from which it has been tied securely. But finally the monkey was very naughty, and what happened, it has started to work very differently. So the naughty monkey, it was, as I have told already, that monkey was very naughty, and naughty monkey started a lot of naughtiest work that will be shown in the next paragraph. So today this much only. Have a nice day.